All right, so in today's video, we're going to go ahead and go over this Meco turbofan. This is the ME-CA2. Now, this is a very powerful meeting fan. You can use it for multiple purposes. Clean your computer equipment, and blow up one of those inflatable beds. So we're going to go ahead and go over all those details, and you can pick these up on Amazon. So check out some of the links. They do help out the channel. This one comes in gray. You can buy it in blue, or you can buy it in purple. All right, so these are the specs right here. Like I mentioned, the model ME-CA2. You do have a 4,000 milliamp battery, C-type charging port, 5 volt, 3 amps, 180 watt max. On your first gear, you get about 60 minutes of runtime. Second gear, you get about 30 minutes of runtime. Third gear, you get 20 minutes, and full power, you get about 10 minutes of runtime. That's funny how they call it, a gear. Pretty cool. You got your tech support here. All right. And you do have, your Facebook page, web page, and all that good stuff. So, all right, so let's go ahead and check it out. You could get these, like I mentioned, on Amazon. See what it comes with. Do have your manual. These is all the accessories that it comes with, okay, for different applications. Tells you pretty much, you can use it to inflate, one of the little pool accessories, your inflatable beds, this is mostly what I use it for. Maintenance and different languages, okay? Very simple. Comes with a nice little soft carrying case. Put all your accessories in there if you want to throw away your box. Just all your accessories. So you have your different nozzles, and they have a twist and lock. I don't know if you can see it there, so it doesn't fly out once you install it. So all of them have that. The box is actually very nice. Foam insert, so protects the equipment. Comes with a little cover there, so it doesn't get automatically pressed. This is your USB-C port. You do have lights that tell you when it's charged, when it's charging, when it's fully charged. It does kind of tell you here also when it's on and which level it's on. This is your on and off button. You have a little metal mesh for protection. Make sure nothing falls in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it out. So in order to turn it on, you have to hold it. That's gear 1 or level 1. Press it again, level 2, 3, and 4. Press it again, goes to level 1. To turn it on and off, you gotta hold it. All right, so pretty sweet. You do have, this is your air out of the front and your air in. So basically you can lock it, it won't come out, okay, which is nice. So it's like a twist and lock. Same thing as the front, twist and lock, all right. Okay, so let's go ahead and hold it. All right, so when you plug it in, it'll show you your status as far as the battery charge. It should turn green once it's fully charged. Very simple. When you turn it on, low blinking, level 1, a bit faster, level 2, level 3, and level 4. I think instead of having these two and the blinking kind of throws you off, it should have, let's just say if it's going to be 4 levels, it should have 4 little individual LEDs instead of these 2 here. That way you know more or less which one you're on. level 2. All right, so using a little fan, we're gonna go ahead and inflate this little bed, and then we're gonna take the air out and put it in reverse. So let's see, how long more or less it takes. All right, pretty much good to go. Nice and hard. Excellent. I've always hated inflating these. My stepson comes over all the time and we use these all the time, and I absolutely can't stand filling them up manually. So with this one here, now we could inflate it in probably about a minute or so. So let's go ahead and take the air out of it so we could store it. We do have to take out this little cap, and eventually it does kind of empty out, but you always got that air in it. So let's go ahead and flip it to the other side and remove as much air as possible. Excellent. So now it's nice and flat. And there you go. Ready for storage. Love it. So now it's a lot easier to fold, and it'll take less space. You could also use it to clean your keyboards and electronics. Nice and clean. So what I like about this one, it gets into little crevices. Sometimes I use the compressor. I got to turn on the compressor, get it ready, get the long hose. So this is grab it and go. It's instant pretty much. And so if you have any sports that you do, you want to go ahead and get into a little crevices. So let's go ahead and give it a whack.